another sign of rotation here to the south and west of Corsicana in central Navarro County here, and that's also moving to the east. So a very dangerous storm, and this has really been the main storm that we've seen through the course of the evening. You can see how it's lifting off towards the east and northeast. You folks in southern Kaufman County, Kaufman, the city of Kaufman, you're now included in the severe thunderstorm warning, and also parts of Henderson County. All the counties within the shaded box here are under a severe thunderstorm warning with the threat for some high winds, maybe some small hail. It's turning in more to a high wind event with this thunderstorm moving off towards the east. I want to go to live Doppler here and show you the estimated wind speeds with this storm. This is what just blew through Corsicana and knocked out power within the city. Still estimating winds around 60 to 80 miles per hour. Now keep in mind, that's the measurement of the winds up in the clouds, and they're certainly higher in the clouds than they are at the ground. But nonetheless, when you see a high wind, a threat like that, or a high wind estimate up in the sky, sometimes those winds get transferred down to the ground, and you get some high gusts. And that may have occurred here in Corsicana as that blew through. Also down towards Dresden, south of Corbett here, we've also got some high winds showing up around the Dawson area. That may too lift up into Corsicana, so you may get another burst of some high winds here in the Corsicana area as the storm shifts off to the north and to the east. Back to Viper, and we'll show you a little wider view because we do have some rain and even some lightning here around Dallas and Fort Worth, but these storms are not severe. And as I mentioned during the last update, pretty much the severe weather threat at Fort Worth and Dallas is very low now, as this storm to our south and east is just sucking up all the energy coming up from the south. So that's the main game here as it moves off towards the east. You folks in Canton and Athens, you're next in line for that big storm. You've already got a storm closing in, and this one's trying to spin too, trying to produce a little rotation. Hasn't taken off yet, thankful for that, but it's one we'll keep an eye on for you folks up there in the Canton area. Up to the north, we've got rain coming down in Sulphur Springs and up towards the Paris area. I want to show you the tornado watch box. It's on max 1 because areas to the west, you've been cleared from the watch. Still in it though in Dallas.